I learned to measure a night by the weight on my hip, not by the weight of metal. For as long as I can remember, that small wheel was the country's answer. 6 honest rounds. It steadied men and women through the hard years.
For decades, this was the image of American law enforcement. A badge, a patrol car, a 6-shot revolver, and a little bit of common sense went a long way. It was steady, reliable, and for the longest time it was all an officer ever needed. Bandits, outlaws, and Jesse James were the way of the day.
But the world moved underneath that steadiness. Bullets came from new places. What kept us safe yesterday didn't always keep us safe tomorrow. The world changed. Drugs, gangs, crime, robbery, terrorism, you name it. It changed our world starting in 1986 with the FBI shootout in Miami. 6 shots, a long reset. A long minute when you needed seconds. It wasn't about nostalgia. It was about survival. It wasn't just the men anymore. The job was changing, and the weapon had to change with it. Departments argued over the caliber. The .40 promised power for the FBI. The .45 carried tradition, but in the end, 9mm proved the right balance, the weapon of the future. As we went farther along, it turned into a .38 Super and a .357 SIG. Every traffic stop, every call, that choice waits with you. It's quiet until it isn't. You don't get to test it in theory, you meet it in real time. Most people see a routine traffic stop. An officer knows there's no such thing. Even the quiet calls carried risk. The wrong weapon made every stop feel like a gamble. In the small towns and the big cities, side by side there was no comparison. We traded advancement for nostalgia, with the promise that we would keep our people safe and that our officers would come home. The weapon changed. The duty didn't. We carried more than a gun and a badge. We carried a promise.